afternoon, Year 2, and welcome to your SPAG lesson we're going to do this afternoon. We're going to be learning all about conjunctions in our SPAG lesson this afternoon. And in a moment, I'm going to share my screen and you're going to see that we're going to be learning about so, and, but, and, or. Okay, let's get ready to go. Right, here we go. And we're going to present from the current slide. So we're going to use so, and, but, or as conjunctions. Now, conjunctions are words that link two sentences together. Okay, so I like sweets, I like chocolate. I like sweets and I like chocolate. So and is the word that links two sentences together, which is similar. And when we're talking about things on a similar theme. So is used to explain a reason why something happens. So something else happens or you do something else and then that leads to something else. So I was tired, so I went to bed early. I was tired, I went to bed early. I can link them together. I was tired, so I went to bed early. But shows me the opposite. So the little boy was naughty. The little boy was polite. The little boy was polite, but he was a little bit naughty. And or shows us two choices. Would you like pizza? Would you like pancakes? So would you like pizza or would you like pancakes? Okay, so to write, we're using these different conjunctions in a different way this afternoon. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got some sentences on here. Apples, but, I like, don't, pears, I like. Black is, my, he, cat, and fluffy is. Doesn't make sense, does it? So pause me and write what these sentences should say. Well done. So the first one should say, I like apples, but I don't like pears. They're the opposite of each other. We're saying we like the apples are good. The opposite of that is, I don't like pears. I'm not a fan of pears. You see if you can tell me some of your fruits you do like and some of the fruits you don't like. And the second one, my cat is black and he is fluffy. So we're using and because we're talking about the cat and we're just giving it two adjectives, similar kind of discussion, similar topic. So my cat is black and he is fluffy. Where is the conjunction in the sentence below? So read this sentence. We tried our best, but we didn't win the match. Where is my conjunction? I'm going to count you down for this one. Write down which word is my conjunction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. The conjunction you should have put is but, because it's the opposite. They really, really tried. They worked really hard. They didn't win the match. They're the opposite of each other. They don't quite link. Try really hard, maybe you should win. Okay, circle the conjunction. We need to join these sentences together. Would you like some popcorn? Would you prefer some sweets? We can get rid of this question mark in here. And which conjunction are we going to put in there? Are we going to put so or? Off you go, choose which one, write it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should have put or because we're giving somebody a choice. Would you like some popcorn or would you prefer some sweets? And or is the one we give somebody a question, a choice to make. So which sentence uses the correct conjunction? After swimming, I need a snack, but a drink of water. Does but make sense there? Yes or no? And B, we will be doing gymnastics and playing hockey in PE this term. Does and make sense there? I'm going to count them down and we're going to write down which one is correct, A or B. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B was right because they link together. We're doing gymnastics and playing hockey in PE. They're both in that PE lesson. Meanwhile, I need a snack but a drink of water. They're not opposites. That doesn't make sense. So this one we're going to pause for in a moment when I say go. So you've got the words so, and, but, and or, and each one of them goes in one of these sentences, okay? So we saw a castle, a fort on our class trip. And so a fort is like the place where they used to protect kind of the castle from getting in and people getting into the castle, the area around the castle. Andy likes watching cartoons. His sister prefers playing video games. I want to go to London. I can see the famous landmarks. My dad told me that I could choose to set the table, wash the dishes. Pause and write down what conjunction goes with A, B, C, or D. Go. Okay, well done. So in A, we should put and, because it's two things that we saw on the trip and they link together. B is but, because Andy likes watching cartoons. His sister prefers playing video games. They're the opposite of each other. I want to go to London so I can see the famous landmarks. Because I'm going to London, then I can see the landmarks. Because of that, they link to each other. My dad told me that I could choose to set the table or wash the dishes. It's all because they're choices. They go in the middle to make people choose between the two. Right, in this sentence, it's already got a conjunction in it. Before it had the conjunction in it, it was two sentences. So I'm going to read it. You're going to take out the conjunction and write down the two sentences that it was before it was pushed together. So Harry won the sprinting race, so he got a gold medal in assembly. Take out the conjunction. What will the two sentences be? Pause and write them down. Okay, well done. You should have written, Harry won the sprinting race. He got a gold medal in assembly, because so has been taken out. Okay, right. Mr. Shen asked class 2 to share a sentence using a conjunction. Bella says, I have brown hair and brown eyes. Raheem says, I have 2 brothers or 1 little sister. Which sentence isn't right? Which sentence is wrong? Is it Bella or Raheem? Pause and write down and tell me why you know. Okay, and the answer is Raheem, and he's incorrect because he has used or, which is to show a choice, and he hasn't got a choice about which one he would want. He's telling us a fact. I've got 2 brothers and 1 sister, so he's used the wrong one because or is for a choice. My Bella's is right. I have brown hair and brown eyes. Right, can you arrange these sentences, these cards, to make 2 sentences? And then put in the middle which conjunction will link them to make it make sense. Pause the screen and have a go. Okay, fantastic. So one sentence you should have got is I went to the park. And the other sentence would be played on the slides. So the conjunction that links those sentences together is and. So you should have put and in the middle. Well done. I want you to spend the rest of the afternoon now, or the rest of this SPAG lesson, using the words or, and, but, and so, and use them in your own sentences. And send any of your answers to year2@thepalmeracademy.com. Have a lovely afternoon, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.